This is Angs here from Edugrih. Today I shall take you through an overview of our Python class. So, obvious question, why Python? Then Python language evolution and then Python course overview will be the agenda for our today's overview. So, why Python? So, just a simple answer, it's slowly becoming the first choice for industry for all aspects, be it system administration, backend, or data analytics. Everything and everywhere we have Python today. So, why Python? Because industry demands for development, DevOps, or automation everywhere. So, jumping on to the course overview, what will be catered as part of this particular course? We have a soft link which points to the course details, and basically at a higher level, what I can present is this course takes up environment setup for a Python, basic constructs of Python, as in uh, different keywords, different syntax, what is required for Python. Then, but obviously the biggest or the most used data type, strings. Then we'll talk about different operators, arithmetic operators, conditional operators, some specific language based operators like ID operators and type operators. The next section would be flow controls. So basically, it will talk about more of if, else blocks, switch blocks. So interesting part, we don't have a switch block, but we can have a similar kind of a construct in switch. So similar kind of details we'll have as part of the flow controls. Then we'll jump into collections. Collections are the data structures which are provided by the language, like dictionary, set, hash set, and stuff. We'll deal with them. Then we'll move on to functions or methods. How do we call a method? How do we return values from a method? Next will be how do we define things as part of modules or packages, and then important constructs of Python like exception handling. Then how do we read data from a file? How do we write data to a file? How do we handle a particular folder? How do we create a folder? How do we write to a folder? How do we create a new file in a specific folder? Reading all the list of files available in a folder. Then we'll get into the important or advanced aspect of Python, that is OOPS concept and Python, in which we'll be dealing with the classes and class methods, class parameters, how do we define classes in Python and stuff. Then we'll next move on to another advanced aspect of regular expressions. How do we match different strings or different stuff with or a particular expression with a regular expression? How do we handle them? Subsequently, we'll move to database access. That's an important aspect because when we need certain data to be persistently be stored, and then we wish to read that particular data, and if the data set is huge, database has access is an important aspect in that case. So we'll more so talk about the relational database and its interaction using Python, and then we'll get into a little notch up higher into advanced concepts of decorators, how they come into pictures, how do we get into the generators and stuff. And then quickly we'll get into the network programming part of it, how you can send data over the network, how you can receive data over the network, how you can create a UDP packet, how you can create a TCP socket, stuff and all. So these all topics will be covered as part of this course for Python. So yep, I'm done with the course overview. Hope to see you all subsequently on our platform for this particular Python training. For that, till then, thanks. Goodbye and good luck.